मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ मॉडरेट करने के लिए। मुझे पहले एक्चुअली कहा गया था कि एज अ स्पीकर आई हैव टू आल्सो सिट हियर एंड टॉक, बट जब मुझे पता चला कि इतने बड़े लेजेंड्स चिरंजीवी साहब, हेमा जी, मोहनलाल सर, इतने बड़े लेजेंड्स के साथ मुझे भी बैठ के स्पीकर बनना है, तो मैं समझा ये सही नहीं रहेगा. सो आई रिक्वेस्टेड देम दैट आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक टू देम एज अ स्टूडेंट. I'm going to ask them questions. I'm going to learn from them. So here I am. Thank you very much, everybody. Chiranjeevi Garu, as you say, you brought dance, discipline, heroism to Telugu cinema. आपके earlier career में ऐसा moment कब आया when you realized that you are not just an actor, you are going to become an inspiration to lots of millions of other actors? When did you realize that?
Hi, Namaskar. Right from the beginning, right from my childhood, my passion towards acting, and then to start with, I used to dance and entertain in and around my friends, my family friends. That time I was very, very small. And with their encouragement, I thought, yes, some talent was there with me, that is the dancing. And then slowly my inclination towards acting has developed. I want to finally take acting as my career. So that's how I went to Chennai, then Madras. And right from the beginning, when I thought I should become an actor, then I started. There are already legendary actors are there, like N.T. Ramarao garu, Nageshwara garu, Krishna garu, Sobram Babu garu. More than half a dozen superstars are there. So, can I get a chance to become such a stardom as a star? But what is that extra I'm going to contribute to become as an actor and emerge as a superstar? My aim is, yes, I should hit the bullseye. And then what is that I can cater? What is that extra I can showcase my abilities to become a star? Then I thought I started sourcing inspiration, drawing inspiration from my contemporary people. Now Mithun Dada is here. In 77, I was a student in a Film Institute, acting. I have seen that Mrugaya, and he won the national award for his acting. It was so natural, and he did a fantastic job. I thought, yes, there were artists that time putting a lot of makeup. Myself, I should not put makeup. I should look very much natural. People should feel I'm next door boy. That kind of image I should bring. So I drew inspiration from the Mithun Chakravarti that time. And then fights, I have seen Sholay. Madam was there. Hey Basanti. So with that film, the actions, till then lot of duplicates are double used to do lot of stunts. But I decided I should do myself all the stunts, however risky it was. I drew inspiration from the Amitabh, the great Amitabh ji. And the dancers wise, that time Kamal is a little senior to me, and Kamal is doing fantastic dance that time. So I thought, yeah, my dancing abilities should be like that. I drew. Like that, from every person, I drew inspiration. I mold myself. And today, what you are seeing me, that is...
Sir, I must say, you are the flag bearer of Telugu cinema. And when I look at you, so much of honesty comes out of you, what you're saying. And it is so much valuable for me, what you are saying, to learn from things. Thank you for being here and gracing the whole waves, what has happened here. And our beloved Prime Minister, he was there. His words meant so much to all of us. So thank you very much, sir.